Artificial intelligence might sound like a field reserved for data scientists, engineers, or tech enthusiasts with advanced coding skills. But in recent years, the rise of no-code tools has made AI accessible to everyone, even complete beginners with no programming background. This shift is not just a trend, it's a fundamental change in how people interact with technology. No longer do you need to write a single line of code to create a chatbot, train an image classifier, or analyze data using machine learning. If you have an idea and a willingness to learn, you can now build meaningful AI projects on your own. At its core, the no-code movement is about empowerment. It democratizes technology and enables artists, small business owners, educators, marketers, and curious learners to bring AI into their work or daily life without needing to hire a developer. What makes no-code AI so attractive is the simplicity and intuitiveness of the platforms. They are often drag and drop, visual, and guided with templates, allowing you to focus on creativity and logic rather than syntax and structure. So, what kind of projects can a complete beginner build using no-code AI tools? Let's explore some exciting ideas and how you can approach them. One of the most accessible and popular no-code AI projects is building a chatbot. Whether it's for customer support, lead generation, or educational purposes, chatbots are a great way to dip your toes into AI. Platforms like ChatFuel, Landbot, and Tidio allow you to create interactive bots through simple workflows. You start by defining user questions or actions, and then assigning responses, often with optional AI-powered natural language processing features that allow the bot to understand variations of input. As you grow more confident, you can integrate the chatbot with tools like Google Sheets or email systems, making it a dynamic assistant that can handle real tasks. Another rewarding project is using AI for text generation or summarization. Tools like Copy.ai and WriteSonic offer beginner-friendly interfaces where you input a short prompt and receive AI-generated content in return. These platforms are great for social media managers, bloggers, or small business owners who need help with writing compelling copy. You can experiment with tone, style, and content type, gradually understanding how large language models interpret and respond to human input. With some creativity, you can build a mini writing assistant for yourself, customized to your voice and preferences. If you're interested in visuals, no-code platforms also make it possible to build AI image recognition systems. Imagine you want to create an app that identifies different types of plants, fashion items, or artwork. Tools like Teachable Machine by Google and Peltarian make this process surprisingly simple. You upload a few images of each category you want to classify, label them, and the tool will train a model for you. Within minutes, you'll be able to upload a new image and receive a prediction. This type of project teaches you the basics of supervised learning without needing to worry about code, data pre-processing, or neural network configuration. For those interested in analytics and data science, AI-powered no-code tools can help you uncover insights from your data. If you've ever used Excel or Google Sheets, then you already have a foundation for data projects. Now imagine enhancing those spreadsheets with predictive models. Tools like MonkeyLearn, Obviously AI, and Data Robot let you upload data sets and automatically build models that can classify, cluster, or forecast data. For example, a small business owner could use these platforms to predict future sales, understand customer sentiment from reviews, or detect outliers in operational data. These projects provide hands-on exposure to machine learning workflows, from data input to model evaluation, all in a user-friendly environment. Voice AI is another fun avenue to explore. With tools like VoiceFlow, you can design voice applications for Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant without any coding. You create flows, similar to decision trees, that allow your app to have conversations with users. Let's say you're an educator. You could build an AI voice assistant that quizzes students on various topics. Or if you're in hospitality, you could build a voice-based concierge that answers common questions from guests. These projects are both practical and impressive, showing how AI can integrate into real-world scenarios. You can also explore generative art through no-code AI. Platforms like Runway ML and Artbreeder allow you to generate stunning visuals using AI models. With Runway, you can create videos, animations, or even edit footage using text prompts. Artbreeder lets you blend and evolve images to create new faces, landscapes, or abstract visuals. These tools are especially appealing to creative professionals and hobbyists who want to experiment with AI without diving into Python or TensorFlow. As a beginner, you can start with existing templates and gradually customize your creations, gaining a better appreciation of how AI interprets and manipulates visual data. Another intriguing area is sentiment analysis, which is particularly useful for brands, writers, and social researchers. Tools like Parabola and MonkeyLearn let you analyze the emotional tone of text, whether it's customer reviews, tweets, or survey responses. By simply uploading a spreadsheet or connecting a data source, you can build a dashboard that categorizes feedback as positive, negative, or neutral. This kind of project is excellent for understanding how AI can extract meaning from language and how those insights can be used for decision-making. Beginners can also explore recommendation systems. Suppose you're a music enthusiast and want to build a tool that recommends songs based on user preferences. Or you run a book club and want to suggest titles based on genre or mood. With no-code tools, you can build simple recommendation engines by tagging data and setting up filtering rules. Bubble.io, for instance, allows users to build full web apps that include dynamic filters, databases, and user interactions, all without code. While it's not strictly an AI platform, you can integrate third-party AI services into it, giving your project intelligent capabilities. As you explore these projects, it's important to understand that the no-code approach does have some limitations. You may not get the same level of customization, efficiency, or depth as with traditional programming. But for beginners, that's not the point. The goal is to build confidence, learn concepts, and see immediate results. Over time, many no-code users decide to learn some code, inspired by the possibilities they discovered. Others remain happily within the no-code space, continuing to innovate with ever-evolving tools. What's most encouraging is the thriving community around no-code AI. From YouTube tutorials and online courses to forums and social media groups, support is everywhere. People are constantly sharing templates, project ideas, and step-by-step guides. This means you're never really building alone. And because these tools are designed for accessibility, they often come with in-app guidance, making the learning curve feel more like a gentle hill than a steep climb. Ultimately, no-code AI is more than just a trend. It's a new paradigm for building and creating with technology. It levels the playing field, inviting anyone with curiosity to participate in the future of innovation. Whether you're automating tasks, analyzing data, creating content, or designing experiences, there's likely a no-code AI tool that can help you do it faster, smarter, and more creatively. So if you're a beginner wondering whether AI is too complex to tackle, the answer is a resounding no. With the right tools, mindset, and a bit of experimentation, you can start building your first AI project today. And who knows, that simple chatbot, image classifier, or content generator might just be the beginning of a lifelong journey into the world of intelligent systems.